So let's dig into why this episode is called Oil, the Hidden Assassin. Let me just show you what food products contain the highest levels of hydrogenated oils. Baked goods, especially crackers, cookies, cakes, snack foods like chips and your kid's precious fucking goldfish, microwave popcorn, frozen meals like pizza and TV dinners, Crisco, Pam spray, even if it says olive oil, fake butter spreads, margarine, your coffee creamer. I can't get over this freaking coffee creamer debate with keto people. I need my coffee creamer and it's all fat. It's good for me. No, it's chemicals, dummy. Stop it. Pre-made frostings, fast food, all loaded with trans fats. These hydrogenated vegetable oils, loaded, hidden in everything. I did another episode where I spelled out the ingredients of children's cereals. These sugary breakfast cereals, they all have hydrogenated oils in them. Even something that is solid, not a liquid, contains these hydrogenated oils, okay? So again, baked goods, crackers, cookies, cakes, snack foods, chips, microwave popcorn, frozen meals, pizza, TV dinners, Crisco, Pam spray, fake butter, margarine, spreads, coffee creamer, pre-made frostings, and fast food. That's funny. I didn't name a single Clovis-approved foods. It's as if somebody has already done this research for you and removed all of the guesswork. It's as if somebody had said, hey, just follow along with the plan that I gave you and you'll consume 0 hydrogenated vegetable oils. It's literally like somebody did it for you. What are we doing, everybody? This is also why I tell you to be a label detective. Here's why you must be a label detective, because I'm going to give you a good example. Monounsaturated fats are super healthy and they're found in avocados. So you have these dressings coming out on the back of people like Primal Kitchen who are doing it right. And you'll go to the normal grocery store and go to the salad dressing and you'll see, oh, this avocado oil dressing says avocado oil right on it and it's $3 cheaper than the Primal Kitchen. I'm going to get that one. Flip it over. The number one ingredient, I assure you, is a hydrogenated vegetable oil. Somewhere down the list of ingredients, there might be avocado oil, probably half a gram of it per serving. The majority of these formulas are still hydrogenated vegetable oils, but they plaster the front cover with the marketing of avocado oil healthy dressing, right? It's ridiculous. You absolutely have to read ingredient labels. Hydrogenated oils are found in everything, okay? Now, let's talk about how bad they actually are. How bad are these trans fats really? Because I don't think people understand this. Let's chat about it. A study done at Harvard in 1993 demonstrated a strong link between partially hydrogenated oils and heart attack risk. The conclusion, quote, replacing just 2% of energy from trans fats with healthy unsaturated fat would decrease the risk of coronary heart disease by about 1/3. End quote. Decrease 2% of trans fat intake and decrease heart attack risk by 1/3? That's some pretty powerful shit, everybody. Pay attention, right? In other words, get the health benefits from monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats from whole foods, not processed oils. Eat whole foods, change the world. Eat whole foods, change the world. Say it over and over, right? A strong connection also exists between trans fats and body fat storage. Yes, you store more body fat. Listen to this. A study from Wake Forest University Baptist Medical Center found, quote, diets rich in trans fats cause a redistribution of fat tissue into the abdomen even when the total dietary calories are controlled. Layman's terms, eat the same number of calories, but include trans fats and you'll get fat. Ridiculous. Belly fat, particularly abdominal fat, visceral fat, that will kill you. The same study also demonstrated how trans fats lead to heart disease and diabetes. A strong link also exists between trans fats and cancer. Now, because most of you are women, 85% of my audience is women, let's talk about women specifically. A study done on trans fats and colon cancer showed that postmenopausal women had a 2-fold increase in the risk of developing colon cancer from high levels of trans fatty acids in the diet. Hydrogenated vegetable oils, everybody. Another study in the American Journal of Epidemiology showed that the risk of breast cancer was doubled in women having higher levels of trans fatty acids, serum trans fatty acids. These are trans fatty acids found in the blood via blood work. The more trans fatty acids found in your blood, you can double your risk of breast cancer from nothing, just trans fats. Double your risk of breast cancer. This is insane, everybody, right? This is absolutely wild. Now you guys know why I'm here in Chiang Mai and I'm really, really struggling. I'm really I couldn't even, I bought some coconut oil to cook with, which was a nightmare. It was like $10. And I paid out the ass for all the groceries I bought. It's impossible to cook here. The pots and pans suck. I go out to eat every single meal. There's one restaurant I found that doesn't cook in these oils, and the food is 3x more expensive than the other restaurants. So it's like I'd be paying American prices. It's just crazy. It's crazy. So I'm doing the best I can, but I can't stay here long term. I simply cannot put these oils in my body long term. That's why I'm practicing like 20 hours of fasting every single day. I'm fasting like crazy, hoping to get some benefits of autophagy where I can rebuild some of these cells that I'm literally damaging from these oxidized hydrogenated vegetable oils. It's really scary, everybody. So I've lost a ton of fat. I'm probably down 6 pounds since I've been here. Sure, I got some badass abs going. Like I just got shredded. You know, it's crazy. I just lost a ton of fat. I'm trying to keep muscle mass on by biohacking and doing a particular type of time under tension and some caloric refeeding at the place that does just once a week. I'm doing a massive meal and utilizing actually glucose, utilizing carbohydrates in a way that I would not recommend for you guys because I'm doing intense resistance training. But yeah, anyway, I don't want to get into that because I don't want you guys going out and eating glucose, right? But anyway, I know these things. I biohack, right? So I'm trying to do the best that I can out here. It's really tricky. So that's about it. That's what I wanted to touch on with all of these trans fats, hydrogenated oils, polyunsaturated fats, monounsaturated fats, saturated fats, all exist in nature. They're all healthy for you. These trans fats are not. Avoid them like the plague. I cannot recommend enough that you completely remove these, not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. Moderation is bullshit when it comes to something that can literally cause cancer and inflammation in your body, right? It's insane. So now that you know how awful these things are, guys, I want you guys to stop and think, right? So I went through all these foods that they come from, all the foods that they're hidden in. I guarantee you. Now, when I talk about Clovis being a finite versus an infinite game, it's an infinite game. You need to get healthier for the rest of your life. You need to adopt Clovis. You need to get a custom plan from me. If you haven't, I don't know what is wrong with you. People pay $275 for a CrossFit gym. People pay $200 for a P90X DVD. People pay $25 a session for a fucking yoga class. What are we doing? I can literally change your life forever. Forever. Right? That's it. It's crazy, you guys. I mean, there's no reason not to do it. And then take the infinite game. Take what I teach you. This is a teach a man to fish. It's not a meal plan. I'll give you a meal plan. I teach you how to relearn your relationship with food. And then you go from there. And I teach you to fish. Teach a man to fish. Feed them for life. Right? That's what I'm doing with you. You learn these skills. You relearn what foods are made out of, because I guarantee you that by the time you get to Clovis, you were eating one or more of the foods that I mentioned with hydrogenated oils in them at least weekly, if not daily, if not hourly. And that's how bad this is in America. You're probably eating those foods hourly. Got a sugar crash at work? Better grab a granola bar. Got a sugar crash at work? Better grab a donut or a whole wheat bagel. Hydrogenated oil, hydrogenated oil. It's hidden in everything. Baked goods are loaded with them. What are we doing, guys? Sign up, get your approved foods list, and avoid hydrogenated oils for the rest of your life. You can be honest and admit you didn't know better. You didn't know better before you got here. Might not have known better. Most of you might not have known what a hydrogenated oil was before you came to this episode, right? I'm not trying to be a jerk either. It's just, guys, I get so upset about this stuff. I mean, we're poisoning each other. Literally. Humans poisoning humans. When you cook for your family with canola oil, you're poisoning them. When you take your family to a restaurant that loads the food up in canola oil, you're poisoning them. Or soybean oil, or rapeseed oil, or safflower oil, whatever. It's terrible, guys. Terrible.